like a trail.
It ain't no trail.
I mean, looks like somebody wrote.
Probably where all the water goes.
Yeah, that's where the water deposits down towards the pond. Okay. We're headed down this little trail. What we have down here, some kind of a little primitive campsite.
Don't do it though. You might fall.
Yep, I ain't up for that. Definitely gonna break.
It's a really nice little spot up here. It's up on this little raised
Weak ass fence.
platform.
Record some weirdo's campsite.
That's what this is. I'm kind of be nice if they take their rubbish with them. Looks like some kind of old slate or something.
These things don't have shit cracked.
He knocked the fork off the tree.
I don't know if it's not.
How's the traction on them boots?
Like ice skating down a hill.
Here where the water runs.
This is freaking awesome down here.
That is sweet.
Look at this shale. This is wild.
I'm gonna pull them fucking like that. Carve my name in there.
This whole thing. This whole thing is just a great big sheet of shale.
I heard my water bottle dinging, and I knew.
Great big, oh, I should say slate. This is slate.
This is so.
This is beautiful.
Never seen anything like this ever.
it's just like the whole, everything is this. There's like no dirt.
This is all shit. Look at the side here. Look how smooth this is. That's where we came from, up there on that little hill peak up there. This is slate. This is pretty wild. A big fossil on that rock. See it? Hey, guy, what's up here?
Hold on. Don't take them now.
Sandbar here.
What's up there?
I don't know. Is there some kind of a cave behind them rock? I could see a hole over there. Well, I'm just saying, if them rocks could have fell over top of an opening. No. But I know there is other cave openings on down this hollow. Because there was big caves on the other side too. Big caves, a lot bigger than the other ones. Some kind of little animal skull here. Could film a movie down here.
Swimming hole over there.
Look at that rock. Holy. Huh?
That's pretty deep in there.
Dude, yeah.
A lot of critter paw prints down here.
Dark down here. Getting light, huh?
That is really deep around that huge rock.
pretty cool up there where Sam's at. Looks like a little natural cave.
This whole bed of this is lined with slate. This is wild. Awesome place. We are in western Pennsylvania, by the way, and this is actually down where I grew up. This is kind of my old stomping grounds, but I don't remember coming down in these areas. We were mostly kids riding dirt bikes and ATVs, and we didn't get to venture into this cool stuff. We didn't take the time to. We should have, but never too late, I guess.
Yeah, see that little
Yeah, it's a little
natural.
kind of a little natural formation there. We can get on this trail and walk a little closer to it. Watch, these rocks are kind of slippy down here. That gives you some kind of size to the relative size comparison on that rock right there. They're walking on it right now.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Fall into that pond.
That looks pretty deep in there.
Yeah, it's pretty deep over there.
Yeah, we gotta head up over there.
You want the stick to help?
No, I'm fine.
Coming up is a little easier than going down. Got your hand this time.
I know it's more than enough.
Yeah.
Probably go in there and come out with a bunch of leeches.
Yeah,
I don't think.
looks kind of
Yeah,
nasty.
honey.
Looks kind of nasty.